A thief on a motorcycle tries to snatch a girl's purse, but a small boy nearby sees everything. The thief gets off the bike and forcefully grabs the purse from the girl. Meanwhile, the smart boy quietly takes the key out of the motorcycle and gives it to the girl. When the thief returns to start the bike, he finds the key missing. Suddenly, the girl steps forward and says, "I have the key. Give my purse back first." The thief has no choice but to return the purse and take the key before riding away. Sadly, some people still forget to like and subscribe for that brave little boy.